Hi guys, today I am back with Chettinadu vegetable biryani or Chettinadu veg biryani, which is a one pot dish. For making this you can use siraga sambar rice or as I am using basmati rice. For that you need to clean and soak 1.5 cup of basmati rice or siraga sambar rice and cut the vegetables. Here I have taken carrot, green peas, French beans, cauliflower, each half cup, which in together measures to 2 cups. For 1.5 cup of rice, I have taken 2 cups of vegetables, which I have cleaned with lukewarm water and kept it aside. Now in a kettle, I have added 4 tablespoons of oil, and as the oil heats, I will be adding the masalas which we usually use for biryanis, like bay leaf. Here I have taken 1 bay leaf, cinnamon stick 1 inch, kapod bud 1, small flower of black stone flower, 1 star anise, 4 cloves and 3 green cardamom, and waited for some time till they splutter. As soon as this starts spluttering, I will be adding 1 cup longly sliced onions and fry them till they are translucent. This recipe is very easy. You can make it in 1 hour and you don't need any side dish or gravy or curry for eating. You can have it with just raita. It tastes amazing. It is a one pot dish. Now as the onions turn translucent, we will be adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Make sure that you don't burn the onions. They need to be just translucent. This dish you can take it to your office or picnics or while you are traveling in intercity as a meal. You can see that I have added 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now let us fry for some time. Here the measurements are 1.5 cup of rice, 2 cups of vegetable and 2 cups of water. You can always check the video description for the ingredients and their measurements or proportions. Where I will be mentioning in detail. This quantity which I am making serves 2 to 4 people. Here I am adding 2 slit green chillies. Please make sure that the bottom doesn't get burnt. You can even take potatoes, radish, any vegetable of your choice. Now I am adding one small tomato chopped, 1/4 cup of cilantro chopped, and 20 to 30 mint leaves, and giving it a good stir. Now we are adding the vegetables and we will saute for another 4 to 5 minutes. You can add salt so that it would cook well. Now, or you can even add it later before adding the water. Now we will be adding the dry powders like turmeric, half spoon, coriander powder, 1½ spoon, half spoon red chilli powder and half spoon salt, and give it a good stir. Later we will be adding 2 cups of water. This is the same cup with which we measured vegetables, rice. First we need to clean and start soaking the rice, and meanwhile we will cut the vegetables and onions and turning on the flame. By that time the rice will take time to soak and you can immediately add into the pot for cooking. As the water starts boiling, we will be adding the soaked rice without the water into the water pot. And leave it to cook for 10 to 15 minutes by closing the lid. After first 2 or 3 minutes, you can give it a stir and close the lid. Do not open the lid. Why? Because the food may not get cooked well. So after closing the lid, do not open it immediately after it is prepared. Let it rest for 10 minutes after the cooking time. And our Chettinadu vegetable biryani would be ready to be served. It is so colorful and tempting. Let me tell you how to make raita. For that you would need 1 cup of curd and half cup of water, half spoon salt, finely chopped onions, finely chopped green chillies. First you need to whisk the curd and add some water and add all the onions and green chillies and cilantro chop, and your raita is ready. There are many raitas available. This is the basic one. Our biryani is 80% done. Now we need to close the lid. And leave it to cook as normally we do for the plain rice. And our biryani is ready. Thank you for watching. Please keep coming back for more such videos. See you next time. Bye.